everyone, it's Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal could also be used for Taco Tuesday, just so you know. And it is another recipes.instapot.com recipe that my mom found, and it's called chicken queso soup. This one looks delicious, can't wait, and we can use it for Taco Tuesday as well. So my mom's going to put a link to the original recipe in the description box below because she doubled this one and didn't use all of the same ingredients that the Instapot recipe did. So you can see her changes in there to make it allergy friendly, but you can also see the original recipe in the link below. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Hope you guys have a great Monday. Chef Yoda the dog out.
Hey everyone, as Yoda said, we're making another recipes.instapot.com recipe. It's called chicken queso soup, and it sounds really good. So we are doing that first. So this is the pot ingredients that we have in there. I'm doubling the recipe, so I'll put a link to the original one in the description box below. So we've got 6 cups of chicken broth. We got 2 cans of shredded chicken, or you can use chicken wings or thighs, I think it said, and then you shred them. So we're not going to do all that. They're already shredded and cooked. And then a cup and a fourth of salsa. So we're using some from a restaurant and also paste. So I did more like 2 cups of salsa. And then a teaspoon each of garlic powder, of chipotle powder, of ground coriander, and of cumin. So that's what's in there. Like I said, I doubled this. If you want the original recipe, you can look in the description box below for the link. So now we're gonna put the lid on. We're gonna do a sealing because this is gonna be pressure cooked. So make sure it says sealing, and then do manual, and then it said 20 minutes. And then we're gonna let it natural release for 10, and then quick release the rest of it. All right, so this is the chicken queso soup. So you're supposed to turn it on saute after letting it natural release for 10 minutes and then quick release. So I turned it on saute, and then you put in cream cheese. So since I doubled the recipe, I put in 2 of these non-dairy cream cheeses. And then instead of half of a cup of cheese, I did a cup of cheese. They wanted Monterey Jack. I have Mexican style. It is what it is. So that's in there too. And then if you want to top it with cojita and cilantro, you can. I'm not going to. But this is it. This is the finished product. It smells and looks delicious. I highly recommend it. Happy Monday, and also you could use this one for Taco Tuesday.